All right, welcome to the video. Today I want to talk about SREFs and more importantly, monochrome SREF. So what is a monochrome SREF? It's basically just a one color. It doesn't have millions of colors. It's a real simple kind of a thing. Think of a black and white photograph, but it doesn't have to be black and white. It could be, blues or greens or tans, right? And so one of the things we've done is we've put together 52 SREF codes in a guidebook, because finding these things in the billions of SREF codes out there sometimes is hard, right? So we put together this guide of the ones that we like the best. And let me just flip through here and let me show you some of these that are in the guide. And so this is what you're going to get when you get the guide. It's completely free, doesn't cost you a thing. Just click the link and get it. And I want to show you the power of these things. So I have a prompt set up, which is just the word cowboy. And I've got 10 of these SREF codes from the guidebook sitting right here. So this allows you to create some really amazing things. And how I like using SREFs is when I'm trying to find just that right idea, I might use this power permutation way, which is doing more than one SREF code at a time, just with separating by a comma. And this allows me to find multiple ways of doing stuff, and I can kind of sneak up on the best looking image that way to start with. Now, as you should know that this way I've got the highest level of Midjourney, and so I'm creating 40 images right off the bat, because you get 4 for each roll here, and I've got 10 SREF codes. So let's just take a look at these. I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom here, and we're going to scroll up, and you can see, do we get something that looks kind of amazing on each of these? So this one's kind of a real stark black and white kind of a look. This one's more of a photo illustration kind of style. This one's black with gold, kind of like that 1920s kind of silent film kind of look. I mean, that looks pretty cool. Here's one that's kind of more fashion oriented, that's black and white. Here's more of a pencil drawing style. Now remember, these are all in this guidebook, and it allows you to find these. Don't you like that one? That one's kind of cool looking. So these are all available to you. And what's really fun with this is how this is just one word, cowboy. So what could we do if we actually gave it more prompts? I just wanted to show off the SREF codes, but you can see that we've got a lot of options. We can do a lot of things with these SREF codes, and I know that you can too. So up at the top in the description is the link to the guide. Click that and start using it. It's absolutely free. I'm not asking for any information or anything. Just start using it, and I know you'll have a blast. So thanks for watching. Got any comments or questions or anything? Drop them down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe both to this video series, but also more importantly to the Midjourney Experience newsletter. This is a newsletter that's delivered right to your inbox about how to use Midjourney better. It comes to you every single week. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon. See ya.